In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to register fixed assets in Xero. This is useful for tracking equipment, vehicles, and other long-term assets while managing depreciation and keeping accurate financial records. First, open your web browser and navigate to xero.com. Once you're there, log in to your Xero account. After logging in, look at the top navigation bar and click on Accounting. From the drop-down menu, select Fixed Assets. You'll now see the Fixed Assets register. If you're setting it up for the first time, Xero may ask you to select a start date. Choose the appropriate date and click Save. Next, look at the top right corner and click on New Asset. On the registration page, enter the asset name, such as a laptop, vehicle, or piece of equipment. Xero will automatically assign an asset number, but you can change it if needed. Next, enter the purchase date and purchase price, then select the appropriate asset type. Now, set up the depreciation details by selecting a depreciation method and the appropriate averaging method if required. Next, click on Assign to Account and select the appropriate fixed asset account. Once you've entered all the required information, review the details and click Register. And that's it. You've successfully registered a fixed asset in Xero, and it can now be tracked and depreciated based on your settings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next